Cold air requires an AC expansion valve to operate properly, but this valve can malfunction at any time. Ignoring expansion valve problems lets corrosion, pressure problems, and refrigerant leaks creep in and drive up costs. Watch the video to learn how to identify the early signs of a malfunctioning AC expansion valve, which can help you avoid wasting time or money later on. It's Max the Car Guy. Subscribe and let's get started. Poor air conditioning performance. Even after giving the car a few minutes to run on a hot day, the first symptom is frequently your AC blowing warm air instead of cool air. This indicates that the evaporator is not receiving enough refrigerant. Regardless of how low you set the HVAC temperature, the airflow may initially appear to be simply warmer than it once was, and eventually warm air will emerge from the vehicle's vents. Air conditioning constantly running. When your air conditioning compressor is running nonstop is another sign. This occurs as a result of the expansion valve becoming stuck and not opening. This implies that even when you feel cold, the compressor will keep pumping refrigerant into the AC system. It is advised that you take your car to a car air conditioning repair shop at this point to have the air conditioning fixed. Regretfully, accessing the valves is not as easy as opening a door and filling up your car with gas because they are frequently located deep within the AC system. Inconsistent airflow from vents. In other words, the air that comes out of your vents will be either too warm or too cold for your taste, and it will frequently alternate between the two. You may have an issue with your expansion valve if you observe that the inside of your car seems to be fluctuating between warm and cold temperatures all the time. Frost forming on compressor or vents. In this instance, the evaporator is eventually allowed to freeze over due to an excessive amount of refrigerant being allowed to flow into it unmetered. In severe circumstances, it's possible that you'll even see a small amount of frost forming on your windshield or on one or more of the interior vents in the front of the vehicle. There's a good chance the AC expansion valve needs to be replaced because it frequently has a frosty surface. Replacement cost. The average cost to replace the AC expansion valve in your car is between $150 and $350. Generally speaking, the valve itself will cost you between $50 and $150, but the labor will cost you between $100 and $200, so it's important to get several quotes first. Rather than shelling out a lot of money for pricey labor to discover what is wrong with your AC, you can now ask your local repair shop what the precise cost will be for fixing the expansion valve in your car. Hope the information was helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.